नहीं सर, is was handed over to you.
Complete site is was handed over. Is was कब से आने लगा?
Site was handed over to
तो
you.
सारी अंग्रेजी गलत हो जाएगी. Don't try to threaten us.
And I'm not saying
You want? I can order for CBI inquiry also.
That I'm not saying.
Your coal companies are.
What is? हमको कोई वो नहीं.
हमें
हमको fact
नहीं है. हम तो ये पूछ
नहीं, मैं ये नहीं पूछ.
Limitation कहाँ है? आप बता दीजिए बस.
नहीं, मैं बात ही नहीं कर रहा.
Lord, the petitioner was awarded a contract by the respondent, my lord, for certain civil work, my lord. The date of, my lord, the period of contract was from 14th of February 2014 to 13th of May 2014, my lord, 3 months period, my lord. On 10th of May, my lord, I completed the contract, my lord, and the joint measurement was taken and the work was found to be satisfactory. Now, thereafter, my lord, they were required to return my EMD, my lord, security deposit and the retention amount which they deducted from my running bills, my lord. That was not refunded, so, my lord, I moved this honorable court. The court directed to decide my representation. Now, on that representation, my lord, they passed the order annexure P1, my lord. Now, they have terminated the contract of 2014 by an order of 21/1/2020, my lord.
कानून में कहाँ प्रावधान है जैन सर? कहाँ प्रावधान है? जो पेपरों में पढ़ते हैं कोल कंपनीज के बारे में वो काफी सत्य प्रतीत हो रहा है अब तो.
नहीं, here my lord, what had happened?
अरे how can you terminate a contract of 2014 after its full execution and complete?
No, it's not executed. That is unfair.
क्या?
It was not executed.
Even if it was not
Then
executed.
he was given show cause notice.
कहाँ है show cause
Yes,
notice?
may kindly see my reply.
When was show cause notice given?
It was given my lord 21/6/2014. Thereafter my lord on
की पावती
19/7/2014.
कहाँ है? की पावती कहाँ है? क्या लिखा
There is no denial that he is not received.
You have not received. You have received.
That's
My
not
lord, in rejoinder, I have denied, my lord, but my point is that, my lord, the termination is provided under the contract, my lord. This is not a show cause notice, my lord. They say, my lord, that certain work is remaining. You complete that and apply for extension of time. So, my lord, I never applied for extension of time. My lord, the legal issue which I am raising, my lord, that after the expiry of a contract, my lord, the respondents are not entitled to terminate, my lord. There has to be a valid contract. There has to be a, no, my lord, I am not raising any factual.
What he's saying is.
That's not completed my lord. That is my point.
नहीं, look, आपने extend किया था.
नहीं किया. इन्होंने incomplete work छोड़ा. हमने इनको कहा complete करो.
उसके ऊपर penalty लगा सकते थे.
हमने इनको terminate करके because my class permits. No, my class permit.
Please read.
What is his case is my lord?
Please read the agreement.
Yes, ma'am. 6.2 जिसपे हमने action ली.
में नहीं है वकील साहब आप फिगर पड़े आए. R3 में भी agreement नहीं है.
नहीं सर, वो हमने जो R3 बता रहे हैं.
Where is your agreement?
Agreement इन्होंने फाइल किया ना सर.
हाँ, annexure.
Annexure page number sir, that is 6.2.
Annexure तो बताएंगे आप.
जी.
कंप्यूटर से बहस करना कब शुरू करेंगे?
सर ले लिया सर, बस घर में प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ.
उसकी गणेश पूजा होगी.
नहीं सर, डिफिकल्टी हो रही है, कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
सामने है ना, सीखिए ना इसको. आपके सीखिए.
मनोज में काइंडली सी Annexure P3.
Where is the notice for extended time?
नहीं किया ना.
तो आपने और ये भी नोटिस नहीं तो फिर
नहीं, हमने इनको दिया काम कंप्लीट करो काम.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं
दिया 15 डेज का टाइम दिया.
अरे भाई.
और वी विल टेक एक्शन एज पर 6.2.
वकील साहब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पीरियड 3 महीने का था.
जी.
मई में समाप्त हो गया.
तो इसके पहले ही हमने जी
उसके पहले का नोटिस दिखाइए ना. वही तो पूछ रहे हैं आपको.
मई में जो समाप्त हुआ तो उन्होंने काम नहीं किया.
नहीं किया.
Called upon him.
आपको
Called upon him to complete the work.
Where is that notice?
That was Annexure R1 मतलब.
R1 is of July. It is not May.
मैं नहीं है. When we called
R1
him.
थोड़ा देंगे आप. ये जुलाई का नोटिस 21/6/2014 का नोटिस है ये.
14 में तो काम होना था.
नहीं.
मई में 13 मई में काम होना था.
13 मई तक काम पूरा होना था ना.
नहीं हुआ.
नहीं हुआ तो 13 मई के बाद आप या तो टाइम एक्सटेंड करते या
नहीं किया.
डैमेजेस लगाते.
Then my lord, what we did.
नहीं, एक सेकंड आगे मत बहुत तेजी से ये बताइए कि लिक्विडेटेड डैमेजेस का जो क्लॉज है 6.2 उसके मुताबिक कहाँ नोटिस दिया आपने कि आपने काम नहीं किया है इसलिए हम आपके ऊपर लिक्विडेटेड.
My lord, may kindly see that Annexure R2. We gave notice.
पहले R1 तो पढ़ लीजिए.
R1 पढ़ लेते. The date of commencement and completion of the work was 14/2/14 and 13/5/14 respectively. The work is not yet completed, although the complete site was handed over to you.
कंप्लीट साइट इज वाज हैंडेड ओवर. इज वाज कब से आने लगा?
Site was handed over to
तो
you.
सारी अंग्रेजी गलत हो जाएगी.
To you at the site of the work. The following work is still left: RCC drain, connectivity drain, plastering of flooring of connectivity drain, cement concrete flooring, filling. You are restricted to complete the above mentioned work within 7 days time and also apply for provisional extension of times. Thereafter, my lord, R2 is given.
R2 पढ़िए.
Repair and maintenance. Please refer to our letter dated 21/6/2014, wherein you have been reminded to complete the remaining work, but till date you have not completed the work mentioned in the letter. The date of completion of the work was 13/5/14. Already more than 2 months have passed, but you have not started the work. Due to the wastewater from the quarters not coming into the main drain constructed by you, the main drain is also incomplete. Nearly 80 square meter of cement concrete flooring is also remains to be completed.
80 वाली तो पहले थी नहीं,
जी,
फर्स्ट नोटिस में नहीं था ये 80 का,
वो भी main
बाद
drain.
में मालूम पड़ा आपको।
You are therefore requested to start the work and complete the remaining work. Please note, if you have failed to complete the work as was detailed above within 15 days time, the action will be taken as per clause 6.22 and 6.23 of the agreement. Please note this is 15 days notice.
ठीक है, फिर
Then on 6/1/2015, again a notice was given.
नोटिस की क्या जरूरत थी? When he had not completed,
It was not there, but then
लिमिटेशन का क्या होगा वकील साहब?
this case is
2014 में अगर उसने काम कंप्लीट नहीं किया,
action should have been taken
it should have
immediately.
been taken, and if you failed to take action, then you recover it from your officers. They were hand in glove with him. Now in 21, after 7 years of abandonment of work, you cannot enforce any liability on him. You show us the law of limitation that after 7 years or n number of
This
years.
is not his case, man. His
Now I am asking you, once you
what
have
had
two
happened?
notices
Yes, Manoj.
showing that he had failed to complete the time,
Ma'am.
work, then you first, in the first notice you asked him to apply for extension. ठीक है? Where is the provision for asking the contractor to apply for extension? Because clause 6.2 authorizes you to apply liquidated damages at the rate of 0.5% of the cost of the work for delay of per week. ठीक है? You did not do that. Then second notice you gave in July 2014 saying that you added one work which was not there in the initial notice. That means that you yourself were not knowing that what was the extent of and scope of work and what part of the work remained incomplete. Then after that, saying that you will take action against under clause 6.2. What action was taken by you till 2021 when this petition was filed?
Manoj.
And then you will have to specifically. And can you take action at any point of time irrespective of the limitation, or limitation will be applicable to you also? How you answer?
The first notice contains what the second notice also there. It's
So,
not that
there is a difference I pointed out.
No.
In first notice,
it
now
is
you
there.
read again,
8 meters it is there.
80 meters is not there.
8 meters RCC drain length 8 meters.
हाँ.
That means the main drain nearly 8 meter is also
हो गया, वो हो गया. फिर सेकंड नोटिस में भी आपने कह दिया.
जी,
फिर
उसी में
आपने
कहा
6.2 कह दिया. 6.2 क्यों नहीं? उसके लिए लिमिटेशन क्या है? यही तो पूछ रहे हैं आपसे.
उसके बाद सर हमने इनको 15 में बोला फिर से.
नहीं, उसका बार बार बोलने से continuous notices will not
Then Manoj, he
enlarge
filed it.
petition.
But then he filed a petition in the 2019.
रिप्रेजेंटेशन में ही ऑर्डर हुआ है सर. पहले ऑर्डर
Does not mention in the petition.
नहीं ऑर्डर
Body of the petition is
बात
not.
समझ गए. 2014 से
19 में petition हुआ.
आपको 6.2 में एक्शन लेने के लिए क्या अनलिमिटेड लिमिटेशन है?
But that's not there. That we called upon him, he did not do it.
He did
Then the
not
court
do it.
order was the order.
You should have applied the clause of liquidated
It is
damages.
there, Manoj. It should be. I don't dispute. I don't, Manoj. What have been, Manoj?
Now you recover these liquidated damages from the officer.
That Manoj may observe it, Manoj should.
I'll observe it. And
Should
if you want,
Now what
don't
is
try to
this case?
threaten us.
I'm not saying,
If you
Manoj.
want, I can order for CBI inquiry also.
That
You
I'm
know
not
that how
saying,
your coal companies are.
What is? सर मैं बोल रहा हूँ आप यदि कोल कंपनी से आप चौथी बार बोल रहे प्रेजुडिस है हमको कोई वो नहीं है.
हमें
हमको
prejudice
फैक्ट
नहीं है. हम तो ये पूछ
नहीं,
रहे हैं
मैं ये नहीं
कहाँ है? लिमिटेशन कहाँ है? आप बता दीजिए बस.
नहीं मैं बात ही नहीं कर रहा. मैं क्या बोल रहा
आप
हूँ
एग्री कर रहे हैं लिमिटेशन नहीं है?
मैं बोल रहा हूँ जो उस ग्राउंड पे नहीं आए हैं
हाँ.
ये इस ग्राउंड पे आए हैं कि फाइनल काम हमने कर दिया और उन्होंने बिल नहीं दिया.
कहाँ है वो मेजरमेंट बताइए, ज्वाइंट मेजरमेट.
नहीं हुआ. जॉइंट मेजरमेंट में ये काम नहीं किए. ये मैं आपको जो बिल बता रहा
ज्वाइंट
हूँ
मेजरमेट तो दिखा दीजिए.
आप वो मैं एमपी प्रोड्यूस कर देता हूँ.
ठीक, लाइए ना दिखाइए.
एमपी
पेज 45
मैंने अपने रिजॉइंट पे लिखा है.
44
Oh, that is not the measurement. That's a bill which I am denying.
अच्छा ठीक है, चलिए.
Malon may kindly see.
एक मिनट.
He is basing this case on this bill.
Wait. अरे देखने दीजिए इसको.
Page 42
Page
of the
42.
petition.
हाँ, इसमें साइन है आपके सीनियर मैनेजर के.
हाँ, साइन है लेकिन ये फर्स्ट रनिंग अकाउंट बिल है. इसको इन्होंने डिनाई नहीं किया.
नहीं डेट देख लें सर.
अभी
ये
उसके बाद पूरा बता देता हूँ मैं.
ये डेट ऑफ कमेंसमेंट ऑफ वर्क 14/2/14 मिनट पेज 42 में काइंडली भी सीन मिनट
42.
डेट ऑफ कंप्लीशन एज पर एक्चुअल 13/5 क्लेम पीरियड 14/2/14 से 10/5/14. तो दिस वाज मिलॉर्ड आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ द वर्क
नहीं
एंटायर वर्क. और ये पीछे आएगा पेज
Can
40
kindly see the column 5, first on account bill, which I have stated in my
ये तो फर्स्ट रनिंग बिल हो गया.
first bill. He says that this is a final bill.
नहीं एक ही
It is
बिल
a first bill.
But my
Second bill, I have specifically said that he has not completed the work. That's why we have not paid him. What he says that this should be paid to him. Now, Madam, may kindly see page 44. 44 is in two parts. The first part is first account bill. When we got the signature in the final bill, then the second column comes. That is certified that I have no claims outstanding against the contract for this work on account of material supply, house rent, water charges, electrical energy supply.
ठीक है, आपकी बात समझ गए.
Certified
नहीं
है.
है, रनिंग बिल है, फर्स्ट रनिंग
ये
बिल.
फर्स्ट रनिंग बिल है.
ठीक है, समझ गए. उसके बाद सिर्फ
उसके बाद कुछ काम ही नहीं किया इन्होंने.
नहीं किया
तो हमने नहीं दिया.
नहीं दिया. ठीक.
तो ये कह रहे हैं कि
नहीं,
ये
आप
बिल के साथ.
फॉरफिट कैसे करेंगे?
तो ये बोल रहे हैं.
अब आप इतने साल बाद फॉरफिट कैसे करेंगे? आपके पास ऑप्शन था लिक्विडेटेड डैमेजेस लगाने का क्लॉज 6.2 में. आपने 7 साल तक कुछ नहीं किया.
सर ये उनका केस नहीं है, इसलिए
यही केस है हमारा.
ये
केस क्या
केस
है?
नहीं है. आप प्लीडिंग में देखें सर.
नहीं मेरा
यही
केस
केस
सिंपल
है
ये है
कि आपने ये कहा.
टर्मिनेशन ऑर्डर सर. टर्मिनेशन इज गवर्न्ड बाय क्लॉज 10 my lord, पेज 33.
Now see the order. देखिए, petitioner's contention is that he was granted some work to be completed in the respondent organization, for which date of commencement of the work was 14/2/2014 and date of completion was 13/5/2014. Full stop. Petitioner's contention is that he had completed the work and work was measured. Thereafter, some payment was made and some payment remained. Full stop. Petitioner demanded that payment, but instead of making remainder of the payment, petitioner has been subjected to forfeiture of earnest money and security deposit.
Not for earnest money, balance security and retention money my lord. Retention money is amount deducted from bills my lord, towards performance.
Earnest money, security deposit and retention money. Full stop. Next paragraph. It is submitted that this act of the respondents is arbitrary and illegal. Next paragraph. Shri Grishma Jain submits that annexure P4 shows that it is first running bill and it is not the final bill. Full stop. Thus, the plea of completion of work is incorrect. Full stop. Thereafter, he has drawn attention of this court to annexure R1 dated 21/6/2014, whereby petitioner was asked to complete the remaining work and was also asked to apply for provisional extension of time. Full stop. Thereafter, annexure R2 was issued, in which through which petitioner was asked to complete the remaining work, and it is also mentioned that if he failed to complete the work as detailed above within 15 days time, the action shall be taken as per clause 6.2.2 and 6.2.3 of the agreement. Next paragraph. As far as it is thus submitted that respondents are justified in withholding the security deposit, earnest money and
Retention money.
retention money